everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look just at absolutely gorgeous 1966 Pontiac GTO. Super slick car, guys. I actually sold this car to a good customer of ours. I think it was back in 2016. He's had the car ever since. Unfortunately, he's had some health issues, and so I actually just bought it back. But killer car. When I originally bought this car, I bought it locally, but the gentleman I bought it from had bought the car out of California. It's an original Fremont California built car. He had done like a body up restoration. Remember, it's got 3,800 miles on it, still on the car. But he didn't paint the car. That was kind of the shortfall of the car. I guess it had older paint on it. That was, I'd call it driver quality paint. The gentleman I sold this car from actually had this car repainted, so it has slick Starlight black paint on it. That is not the original color for it. He didn't do much to it. I think he put new rear tires on it. Put a radio in it. He added some gauges underneath the dash, but he really has not done much to this car. He didn't drive this car much either. We can tell by the cobwebs in it. He's got multiple cars, so I'm sure he just didn't put a lot of miles on it. But like I say, nice car, true 242 GTO. I just got all the PHS back for the car, and it's about, I'm going to guess this car would have been originally done around 2012. Now, the paint was older than that. I'm just talking about the interior, the drivetrain, and stuff like that the previous owner did to it. But nice car, man. Slick paint on it now. The interior was all brand new when he bought it. That's all new legendary interior. You can see the padded dash in there. It's got the dual chrome mirrors on it. Again, love this color combination. This black with this red is gorgeous. Car's got that little rake to it too. It's got the, the bigs in the rear, littles in the front. It's got that old school, I call it Woodward Avenue look. But what a nice car. Hits the road good, drives out nice and tight. Again, it's been sitting a little bit. So we actually jumped in it and drove it a little bit. We put about 10 miles on it. The chrome and stuff is nice on the car. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got 15-inch Cragar SS's all the way around it. It's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs. I think those are 255/60s in the rear. New bumpers. Again, you can see that chrome and stuff is in pretty doggone nice shape. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got the correct chrome tips for it. It's got a Flowmaster H-pipe dual exhaust system on it. That's a good looking car right there. I love these cars. These GTOs they got a great look to me. Just big fan of these cars. Remind me, I think I'm gonna run it down and have them just double check the alignment on it. The steering wheel definitely needs to be clocked on it. It's not a real original tri-power car. It's an original 4-barrel car. It actually has a 65 date-coded 389 engine in it. But you can see they've got all the GM tri-power carbs and intake on it, chrome air cleaners and valve covers. Pretty bone stock for options. Aftermarket aluminum radiator, but it's got the stock shroud on it and another shroud out front, because these GTOs just kind of have this big one. 4-speed manual trans. It's got the Hurst shifter in there. Car hits the road really good. Normally I like the sunshine on on the cars when I'm taking the pics and the videos. Black is actually an easier color to shoot in the shade, so you can actually see it better. Black just reflects so much, it just shows, you know, like it just washes everything out. Original 8-pillar chrome, pretty doggone nice. This stuff's original too. Again, it's got the dual chrome mirrors. I'd say those are new door handles. Door rubbers look new. Door skins are clean. Again, this is all new. Legendary interior. Not a fan of the red floor mats, but new carpet, new sill plates. Headliner is nice. You can see it's got original sports steering wheel. It's got some cracks in the steering wheel. Yeah, 3827. That's actually the miles on the resto. Factory rally dash with tach and gauges. Then he put some aftermarket gauges underneath here. It's got a new Retrosounds radio, padded dash. It's got the stock 10-bolt 355 safety track rear end in it. Car also came from the factory with the ride and handling package. And again, I actually just got all the PHS in on it. Jack with spares in here in the trunk. There's your PHS. Of course, it's all spackle coated like it should be in here. Spare jack. Car is clean underneath. Got more rain coming, so I got a bunch of new cars, guys, so make sure you're keeping track of us. You know, again, our social media, we keep up to date. Our website is up to date. You can see these are all new. They've been repadded, refoamed. Seats are really nice. It's got the wood grain dash in it. Again, you can nitpick that steering wheel. I don't know if I think just the temp gauge and the oil pressure gauge is on the dash. I can't remember. Not all those gauges on the bottom are hooked up. I may have to mess with the idle a little bit. I don't want to mess with it a whole lot though, to be honest with you guys. This car, like I said, I don't think this car has been out. The chance this car hasn't been out of storage in probably over a year, so probably needs to get out and get driven more than anything. It's pretty loaded up when we got it. Tach works. Yeah, oil pressure up there works. The temp gauge is down below with the bolts. Fuel gauge works. Parking brake does work. Out. Oh, there it is. Nope. Car's got good sound. Radio works. I think we got to check on the blower motor. I don't know if it was working on high. Again, the oil pressure is not hooked down below. That's up there. Works up there. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a video. Great way to keep in touch with us. I love 66 taillights. Yes, our weather's turning cold. I got long pants on today. I hate it. is a good looking car right there.